Hello everyone, this is Tara from ADD and the Mom Brain, and this is Jack. Hi! Today I got all of the 5 flavors of the Diet Coke. And
1, 2.
Okay, this is the, I can't even tell. This is the Twisted Mango. Wow. I have a little ring light on because, yeah, it's kind of hard to see. This is the Strawberry Guava. This is Zesty Blood Orange, Blueberry Acai, which I'm guessing this one's probably going to be the best one, and the Fiesta Cherry. I did this last year when we went camping, and I wanted to do it this year, and I got a little clear glass for Jack, because he wants to try it too. I said, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit in for him, don't kick, and then I'm going to try it from the can, because I'm probably going to be the one who's finishing it. Right? Okay, sit down.
Don't need to open mine.
Okay, which one you want to try?
Left one I fried on the white.
You like blueberries, right? And strawberry?
I think I like D2.
You like those two?
Yeah, open D2 full.
The strawberry and the mango?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the strawberry guava.
And tomato.
Yeah, mango's gonna be next. Okay. Oh, it looks brown this time.
Now stop.
That's good. No, sit down. Sit down. Sit down while you're trying it.
Yum.
It's good? Oh. It tastes like the Diet Dr. Pepper.
Yum.
You gonna finish it all? Because we gotta pour the next one in. So you want me to put less in this time? Yeah, it does taste like the Dr. Pepper. Is it really cold? We just took these out of the fridge. I got them at Dollar Tree in Canada.
Yep. I said in Canada.
Yes, we live in Canada. Yeah, the light back here, it just drowns us out. So I'm using a little baby ring light.
They're kind of big to look.
Oh, it's a little one. It's a little tiny one. I got that at Dollar Tree, I
They're
think.
kind of holes.
Yeah,
That makes it tiny.
tiny. Is this really good? Mommy needs to put a lot less in the next one, right? Done. Okay, so you want to try the mango one next?
Yeah. Your turn, right? Have a bowl of this and my brain did.
Yeah, I'm gonna have the rest of it. Okay,
Sometimes
this is the...
I bang on it, then it blow up.
Yeah?
When I open it, it don't.
Okay, this is the Twisted Mango.
And it goes on my face.
So like that much?
Yeah. What?
Your face. Did it go? Was that first taste a little sour? Yeah? Not my favorite.
Yes.
Your favorite?
Both of them favorite. This one my favorite.
The strawberry and the mango?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one do you want to try next? We have cherry, blueberry, or blood orange. Want to try blueberry? Okay.
After it's gonna be blood orange.
Blood orange?
Yeah, after
Okay,
that.
well, we'll put it right here. Okay. Jack, you're like sitting away from me.
Yum, 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 yum.
Do you know what's on your shirt?
The Ghostbusters!
Ghostbusters!
It's a kind of can't see it.
Okay, this is the blueberry acai. Mmm. Yum. What do you
Yummy.
think? You like that one too?
Do you don't like this ones?
The mango one was interesting. The blueberry is good. Done?
I
Okay,
can
blood
tap on it
orange.
this time.
Yeah, these are all the diet flavors. They only came out with the diet flavors, I think,
Yep.
just boost some production sales, but
Yep.
if I can have it, is that good or a little bit more? That good? Really good?
Is it good? It tastes really good. I said time I need to do this. Has to also do it when face one fell off. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah.
Whew. Mommy burped. Oh.
Mama, baby donut. Oh.
Yeah, this one I'm probably not even gonna edit. Okay, I need your cup. I need your cup.
Why you don't
So
not
this
end
is
it?
Fiesta Cherry.
Yep. And I love cherry.
Me too. But you don't like actual cherries. You just like cherry flavored stuff.
Shut up. Yum.
This one actually does taste like the cherry chocolate or just cherry Diet Dr. Pepper. Oh, careful with your cup.
What?
I said careful with the cup. You got a burp coming out?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Are you sure? So which one do you think is number one? Which one do you think you like
Number
better?
one is blood orange.
Blood orange?
Yep. Then
So, this
my
one?
second one is this one.
The strawberry guava.
Yeah. And then this one.
And then the blueberry
Then this one.
acai. Then the
Then-
mango.
Yeah.
So that's not your favorite? Or is that your most favorite?
That's not my most favorite.
That's not your most favorite?
This one.
So your most favorite is blood orange, strawberry guava,
And this one
blueberry acai.
My stomach's actually holding something from.
From that one. The mango and then Fiesta Cherry. Whew, excuse me. Mine is a little different, I'd have to say. Actually, the blueberry acai would be number one. Actually, I'll rearrange it for myself. Blueberry is number one. Yeah, that one kind of gave me a little weird taste. Strawberry is my second. I have to say mango third, cherry fourth, and then orange fifth for me.
Which one is your favorite?
The blueberry acai.
I'm gonna pause it.
Just wait. So, if you like this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'm actually thinking of converting the second channel, like the channel.
Goodbye, my foot.
No, not your foot. The second channel that I have, I was gonna make it for the kids, but I was thinking about actually making it into a vlog channel for when we go camping into the cottage and stuff like that. You disappeared. You literally disappeared right behind me. So let me know what you think. Yeah. So.
Goodbye, foot.
Bye. Mwah.
Goodbye, my foot.